What's going on, YouTube? Today we're going to be starting the disassembly and full wrap on this 2009 370Z. Right now it's silver. We're going to go with KPMF gloss black red. It's a little bit of a color shift. I'm not sure how to describe it, but it looks really good. The material's getting here later on today. The bumper's already off. We're going to be removing the tail lights, the door handles, and everything else that's going to be on the way. So what's done to the car so far?
So basically it's got intakes, exhaust, it's got a single exit, nothing too crazy. It's got a crazy admin tune on it. Woke it up with the tune, and that's basically it right now. Basically just bolt on and tune.
I like the ESR wheels, man. What made you go with the color you chose?
I wanted to go with the gloss black accents with the silver. That would look good, and then now with the wrap, I think it'll look even better with gloss black accents.
Okay. So yeah, looks really good. He removed the spoiler as well. The roof is already black. Door handle's already black. The mirror's already black. So should be a easy car. So once the material gets here, start recording again. Alright, behind me is the color that we're gonna be throwing onto the 370Z. This is KPMF red black iridescent. It's pretty cool. From some angles it's like a rose type red, very dark, and then when you look at it from some angles it starts to turn black. So yeah, it's a really cool color. Just depends on what angle you look at it. It becomes a different shade of red or black. So yeah, this is definitely gonna be really cool for the Z. Match nicely with down here, his tow hook and all. But yeah, we'll start recording once we install the wrap. Alright, y'all, so it's currently the next day. What we've gotten done so far is the hood, the fenders, and the A-pillars. Absolutely love this color. Looks great in the lighting. It's a lot of metallics that pop. It's really cool. It does change shades a little bit the way you look at it. Here's like a brighter red, and then that's more black or a rose color. It's really dark down there. So what I'm trying to do today is knock out both the doors, the quarter panels, the trunk, which would leave me with just the rear bumper, then the front bumper, and the side skirts for tomorrow. And hopefully be able to reassemble the car in 2 days and get it back to the customer. But yeah, so far KPMF has been really easy to work with. I've read some reviews from some people that have said that it's a little bit more difficult, but from my experience, I personally like it. But we'll really be able to see how hard it is to work with when we do, harder panels such as the rear bumper and the front bumper. Because so far it's easy to use, maybe because, these panels are flat, which makes it a lot easier to do. But yeah, give a better review of the material and how easy it is to work with once we do the harder panels. So we'll set up the camera and start wrapping. All right, y'all, we're here with the owner. How excited are you to see the new color, man?
I can't wait.
Okay.
I just want to see it right now.
That's good, man. So after we show him the car, we're gonna go to a parking garage, hopefully get some videos of him shooting some flames, but let's go see the car, man.
Alright. Oh shit. Dude. That's insane.
What do you think, man?
That is crazy. That's way better than I thought.
It looks really good with the wing and wheels.
Dude, the color, it's like glittery too.
Yes, it has a metallic flake. It looks, yes. Yeah, I told you, in the sun, it looks completely different than in the garage.
Yeah, dude, yeah. Sick. Oh, that's sick.
How do you like the bumper?
The bumper does it. That's insane.
So if y'all don't remember, he brought the car to me without a bumper. He brought me the Nismo bumper, unpainted, whatever. So this is the first time he's seen the Nismo bumper on the car.
That is insane. The black accents.
Is this how you pictured it in your head before you came?
This is exactly how I pictured it and planned it.
Oh man, I'm really glad to hear that.
Thank you so much, man.
No
You're
problem.
the man.
Peace. Thank y'all for tuning in to another video. Hopefully y'all are able to learn a little something in my time lapse whenever I'm doing some panels. This project was super fun to do, y'all. Everything just ties in so well together. Message me on Instagram if you're looking for a wrap. But once again, thank y'all for tuning in. Like, subscribe, drop a comment. See you on the next video.